A strong password is the door to your digital home. By locking this door securely, you can prevent unauthorized access. When creating your password, use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Remember, a strong password is your best defense against cyberattacks. Long and complex, your password should be a fortress, not just a password. Diversity. Surprise cybercriminals by using a different password for each of your accounts. Privacy. Don't share your passwords with anyone, not even your closest friend. Updates. Change your passwords ********************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************** updated close. Old passwords can't protect you. A more detailed and engaging version could be: think of your password as the key to your digital life. A strong, unique password is like a sturdy lock that keeps cybercriminals out. To create a truly unbreakable password, combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Make it long and complex, like a fortress. Never reuse passwords ******* different accounts, and avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or pet names. Regularly update your passwords to stay ahead of cyber threats. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense in the digital world.